Here we are with problem 9. It says which side is longest. You have two triangles that are joined together. It might be able to be determined, but it might not. We might not be able to figure it out. So let's take a look. Let's start with this triangle right here. Let's look at that. Now again, the larger the side, the opening angle, the longer the side across from that angle will be. So what we want to do is look for the largest angle within triangle ABC, this triangle right here. At 57, that describes sort of the length of this guy, 63 for that guy, and 60 for that guy. 63 is the largest. So I know that within this triangle right here, A to B to C, within that triangle, that leg is the longest on this side. Now, it might not be true on that part, but on this side, since 63 is the largest angle, the side across from it has to be the longest within here. That's the longest, then this guy's the next, and then since 57 is the wimpiest, this side is the shortest. But he's the biggest within this triangle. Well, let's come over to this guy and compare side lengths. Now remember, this is the longest amongst this, and this, amongst these three. Doesn't mean it's still bigger than these guys over here. Let's look. This angle's 59. That represents talking about how long this leg will be. 60, representing that. 61 here. Well, wait a second. When I compare within this triangle of ADC, within this triangle, the longest leg is across from the 61, right here. He's the longest. He is bigger than that and longer than this one. So if this is the biggest amongst these three, and this piece was bigger than these two, you know by the transitive property that this leg must be the longest. Leg AD, because AD, because of 61, tells us it is bigger. This leg is bigger than here and here. And this, we know, is already bigger than here and here. He's the biggest amongst the three, but when you compare him to this and this, he is not the largest anymore. So therefore, we can make the conclusion that AD, amongst all of these five legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, AD is the longest leg.